We are so very excited. Can you believe that we are less than 3 months away from the end of an entire decade and about to start a brand new one called 2020? That's super exciting. I'm Denise Swick, and we are providing a business planning workshop on October 24th to help you get ready to absolutely crush your goals in the coming year. It's a free workshop at the Dayton Club, formerly the Dayton Racket Club, from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. on October 24th. I believe it's a Thursday. And we will be prepared with you to take away an absolute amazing business plan so that you can not only reach, but even exceed whatever goals that you've set for 2020. It's the same plan that I've used for over 20 years to sell over 100 homes a year. And we're excited to share that with you at whatever level you choose to set your goals at. We want to help to make sure you get there. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me direct or put your email in the comments and go to Real Estate Perfected on Facebook and go to the Eventbrite page. It's a $694 value, but if you put in the code, it's absolutely free. So we look forward to seeing you there and helping you get to that next level next year. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.